How to turn off Safe Search on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device. Further, tap on the Screen Time option. Now, under the Restrictions tab, tap on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Make sure the toggle button for Content and Privacy Restrictions option is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Further, go ahead and tap on the Store, Web, Siri, and Game Center content option. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Web Content option and make sure the Unrestricted option is selected. If not, select the Unrestricted option. Go a step back and tap on the Web Search Content option you see there. Make sure the Allow option is selected. Finally, go back and open your preferred browser and then go to google.com. Here, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and further, you will see the Safe Search option. Tap on that and further, select the Off Radio button, and as you can see, Safe Search is now off. So, this is how you can turn off Safe Search on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.